Okay. Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the functional groups. Actually, chapter name organic chemistry. So different types of topics. For example, IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. And next second one, functional groups and different types of functional groups. So already alkyl halides, alcohols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones. So these functional groups are completed in previous class. And next one, functional groups. So already alkyl halides, alcohols, ethers, aldehydes and ketones are completed in previous class. And next functional group, sixth one, that is carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Generally, carboxylic acid functional group formula R C double bond OH. Carboxylic acid functional group formula R C double bond OH. And suffix, for example, alkyl halides prefix halo. Second one, alcohol suffix ol. Third one, ethers prefix alkoxy like ethoxy, ethoxy, propoxy. Fourth one, aldehydes, so suffix al. Fifth one, ketones, so suffix on, ketone. Next, same sixth one, carboxylic acids, and suffix is oic acid. Oic acid. Oic acid. Oic acid. Okay. So carboxylic acids and carboxylic acid functional group formula RC double bond OH, and suffix is oic acid. Oic acid. Okay. First of all, for example, HC double bond OH. HC double bond OH. So it is one of the carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Due to presence of carboxylic acid functional group, that is C double bond OH. C double bond OH. So in HC double bond OH, total number of carbon atom, only one carbon atom. Only one carbon atom. One carbon atom means meth. One carbon atom meth. Two carbon atom eth. Three carbon atoms probe. 4 bute. 5 pent. 6 hex. 7 hept. 8 oct. 9 non. 10 tec. So only one carbon atom, so meth. And oic acid, C double bond OH suffix is oic acid. So compound name is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid, formula HC double bond OH. And it is also called formic acid. Very, very important. Formic acid. Generally formic acid formula HC double bond OH. For example, CH3 bond C double bond OH, one of the carboxylic acid. Due to presence of C double bond OH. In CH3 C double bond OH, number of carbon atoms, only 2 carbon atoms, 1 and 2 carbon atoms. And first priority carboxylic acid functional group. So 2 carbon atom means eth, okay. And carboxylic acid, oic acid, so ethanoic acid. And oic acid position, first position, or carboxylic acid position, first position. So 1 ethanoic acid. And it is also called, very, very, very important, common name is acetic acid. Common name is acetic acid. So IUPAC name 1 ethanoic acid and common name acetic acid. Okay. So IUPAC name ethanoic acid, common name formic acid. Same IUPAC name 1 ethanoic acid, common name acetic acid. CH3 C double bond OH. For example, C bond Cl C double bond OH. It is also one of the carboxylic acid due to presence of C double bond OH functional group. So very simple. First carbon atom, okay. Next second carbon atom. 2 comma 2. 3 chlorine atoms, okay. Trichloro. And 2 carbon atoms, eth. Next carboxylic acid, oic acid, ethanoic acid. So 2 comma 2. Trichloro, ethanoic acid. Okay, so first carbon atom, second carbon atom. So 2 comma 2. 3 chlorine atoms, trichloro. 2 carbon atoms, eth. Carboxylic acid, oic acid, ethanoic acid. For example, CH3 bond, CH2 bond, C double bond OH, one of the carboxylic acid. Same first carbon atom, okay. Second carbon atom, right. Third carbon atom, 3 carbon atoms. So 3 carbon atom means probe, and carboxylic acid, oic acid, so propanoic acid, and oic acid position, carboxylic acid position, first position, so component is 1 propanoic So these are carboxylic acids. Okay. So generally carboxylic acid functional group are RC double bond OH and suffix is oic acid. So methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, 2, 2, 2 trichloroethanoic acid. Okay. The next functional group, that is esters. Next functional group, esters. Okay, so next functional group, esters. 7th one, esters. Next functional group, esters. Okay, and esters functional group formula R C double bond O R. So this is ester functional group formula R C double bond O R, and suffix is OA. Suffix is OA8. Carboxylic acid, oic acid, ester, OA8. So esters, generally esters functional group formula R C double bond OR and suffix is OA8. For example, CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3 one of the ester. First of all, IUPAC name very simple. Bond CH3 means methyl. Okay, methyl. Next, 2 carbon atoms, eth, ester, OH. So compound name is methyl ethanoate. So IUPAC name is methyl ethanoate. First of all, alkyl group, that is methyl. Okay, methyl. Next, number of carbon atoms, 2 carbon atoms, eth. Next, ester suffix is OH. So methyl ethanoate. And common name is very simple. Bond CH3 means methyl. Okay, methyl. Bond CH3 means methyl. Next, CH3 C double bond O means acetate. So common name is methyl acetate. But IUPAC name is methyl ethanoate. Okay, first of all, alkyl group methyl. Next, 2 carbon atoms eth. Next, ester OH methyl ethanoate, and common name is methyl acetate. For example, CH3 bond C double bond O CH2 bond CH3. Very simple. Bond CH2 means ethyl. Okay, ethyl alkyl group. Next, 2 carbon atoms eth. Okay, and ester functional group suffix is OH. So ethanoate. So component ethyl ethanoate. So bond CH3 ethyl. 2 carbon atoms eth and OH. So ethyl ethanoate. And common name very simple. Bond CH2 means ethyl. Okay, and CH3 C double bond O acetate. So common name is ethyl acetate. But IUPAC name is ethyl ethanoate and common name is ethyl acetate. For example, very simple. CH3 CH2 C double bond O bond CH3. First of all, alkyl group, that is methyl. Bond CH3 methyl. Okay, methyl. And remaining 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms pro and OH. So methyl propanoate. So very simple. Methyl propanoate. So first of all, bond CH3 methyl. 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms pro and ester OH. So methyl propanoate. So these are different types of esters. Okay, so esters functional group formula R C double bond OR and suffix is OH. First one methyl ethanoate, second one ethyl ethanoate, third one methyl propanoate, etc. Okay, next one. Next one, very simple. 8th one, nitro compounds. So nitro nitro. So generally nitro functional group formula bond NO2. Bond NO2. So first one alkyl halides, alcohols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters. Next to nitro. Nitro formula bond NO2. Bond NO2. Very simple. Nitro functional group formula bond NO2. For example, CH3 bond NO2. CH3 bond NO2. Okay, bond NO2 means nitro, right? One carbon atom B and single bond A. So impact name is nitromethane. Nitromethane. For example, CH3 bond. Next CH2 bond NO2. CH3 bond, CH2 bond NO2. One of the nitro compound. Nitro compound. Very simple. First carbon atom, second carbon atom. Okay. So nitro bond NO2 means nitro, right? Two carbon atoms each, single bond A. So compound name is nitromethane, and nitro position is first position. So compound name is 1-nitroethane. 1-nitroethane. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, NO2, bond NO2, nitro, two carbon atoms each, and single bond A, nitroethane, and nitro position first position 1-nitroethane. 1-nitroethane. For example, CH3 bond, CH bond, NO2 bond, CH3, one of the nitro compound. So very simple. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom. Okay. Two nitro. Nitro position is second position. So two nitro. Next three carbon atoms, pro and single bond A. So IUPAC name is 2-nitropropane. 2-nitropropane. So first one is CH3 bond NO2, nitromethane. IUPAC name is nitromethane. Next CH3 bond NO2, IUPAC name is 1-nitroethane. Next CH3 bond CH bond NO2 bond CH3, IUPAC name is nitropropane. But nitro position is second position, so 2-nitropropane. So these are nitro compounds. Okay. So nitro functional group formula bond NO2. Next one amines. Next functional group amines. Next functional group amines. Ninth one amines. Okay, amines. So generally amines functional group formula bond NH2. Bond NH2 or R bond NH2. Bond NH2. For example, CH3 bond NH2. One of the amine. CH3 bond NH2. Amine functional group. Only one carbon atom. So IUPAC name is methanamine. IUPAC name is methanamine. But common name is bond CH3 methyl. Bond NH2 amine. Methyl amine. IUPAC name methanamine. Common name methylamine. For example, CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2. CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2. One of the amine. First of all, numbering first carbon atom, second carbon atom, and amine position is first position. So first of all, two carbon atoms eth and amine. So ethanamine, and amine position is first position. So one ethanamine. And common name is very simple. Bond CH2, bond CH3, ethyl. Next bond NH2, amine. Common name is ethylamine. So very simple. First of all, one carbon atom eth, amine, methanamine. So common name methylamine. Next two carbon atoms eth, amine. So and amine position first position one ethanamine. Common name is ethylamine. For example, CH3 bond CH2 bond NH2. One of the amine. Same numbering. First carbon atom. Okay. Second one. Next third one. And amine position is first position. So compound name is 1. Amine position is first position 1. 3 carbon atoms. So pro. Next amine. So 1 propanamine. So these are amines. Okay. Methanamine, propanamine. So amine formula bond NH2. And next last and final 10th one cyanides. Next one, 10th functional group, these cyanides. cyanides. Okay, so generally cyanides formula bond Cl. Cyanides formula bond Cl. Very simple. For example, CH3 bond C triple bond N, methyl cyanide, common name methyl cyanide. So CH3 C triple bond N, carbon valency 4, nitrogen valency 3. First of all, number of carbon atoms in CH3Cn. 2 carbon atoms. First carbon atom, second carbon atom. So 2 carbon atoms, eth. Okay, single bond N, ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile. Okay, so cyanide suffix is nitrile. Cyanide suffix is nitrile. So ethane nitrile. 2 carbon atoms, eth. Okay, single bond N. Next nitrile. Ethane nitrile. But common name is very simple. Bond CH3 methyl. Bond CH3 methyl and Cn cyanide. So common name is methyl cyanide. Methyl cyanide. For example, CH3 bond CH2 bond C triple bond N. One of the cyanide. First of all, number of carbon atoms 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms. Prop. Single bond N. Propane. Next nitrile. Propane nitrile. Okay, so cyanide suffix is nitrile. So compound name is propane nitrile. CH3 CH2 C triple bond N. But common name is very simple. Bond CH2 bond CH3 means ethyl and Cn cyanide. So common name is ethyl cyanide. But IUPAC name is propane nitrile. For example, CH3 bond CH2 bond C triple bond N. First of all, number of carbon atoms. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, third carbon atom, fourth carbon atom. 4 carbon atoms. So butane nitrile. Okay, so cyanide suffix is nitrile and compound name is butane nitrile. Right. So CH3 C triple bond N, 2 carbon atoms, eth, N, next nitrile, ethane nitrile, common name methyl cyanide. Next 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, prop, single bond A, next nitrile, common name methyl cyanide. Same CH3, CH2, C triple bond N, and number of carbon atoms are 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atoms, but N, next nitrile, butane nitrile. So these are cyanides. And next one, last one, final, isocyanides. So cyanides close. 11th functional group. Okay, so 11th functional group, 11th one, last and final, isocyanides. Very simple. Isocyanide formula R bond NC. Okay, so cyanide formula Cl, isocyanide formula bond NC. So very simple. For example, CH3 bond NC, it is one of the isocyanide. And isocyanide suffix is carbyl amine. Same cyanides suffix is nitrile. Isocyanide suffix is carbyl amine. So isocyanide formula bond NC and suffix is carbyl amine. So IUPAC name bond CH3 methyl and bond NC carbyl amine. So methyl carbyl amine. So IUPAC name is methyl carbyl amine. And common name is bond CH3 methyl bond NC isocyanide. Common name is methyl isocyanide. But IUPAC name is best IUPAC name is that is methyl carbyl amine. Formula CH3 bond NC. Okay. So isocyanide formula bond NC and suffix is carbyl amine. For example, CH3 bond NC, it is one of the isocyanide. So bond CH3 methyl and suffix is carbyl amine. So isocyanide suffix is carbyl amine. So compound name is methyl carbyl amine and common name is methyl isocyanide. For example, CH3 bond CH2 bond NC. It is also one of the isocyanide due to bond NC, isocyanide functional group. First of all, number of carbon atoms, very simple. First carbon atom, second carbon atom, 2 carbon atoms. So 2 carbon atoms, eth. So ethyl, bond CH2, bond CH3 means ethyl. 2 carbon atoms, eth. So bond CH2, bond CH3 means ethyl. Okay, ethyl. And bond NC, carbyl amine. So impact name is ethyl carbyl amine. Ethyl carbyl amine. And common name very simple. Bond CH2, bond CH3 means ethyl. Okay. And bond NC isocyanide. So common name is ethyl isocyanide. So first one methyl isocyanide, but impact name is methyl carbyl amine. Next ethyl carbyl amine, but common name is ethyl isocyanide. For example, CH3 bond CH2 bond NC. It is also one of the isocyanide. Very simple. Bond CH2 bond CH3, 3 carbon atoms. So propyl, 3 carbon atoms, propyl. And bond NC, carbyl amine. So impact name is propyl carbyl amine. So methyl carbyl amine, ethyl carbyl amine, propyl carbyl amine. But common name is very simple. 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So propyl isocyanide. So this is common name, propyl isocyanide. Very important, cyanides and isocyanades. So generally cyanides formed of bond CN, and suffix is nitrile. Okay. Isocyanides formula bond NC and suffix is carbyl amine. Okay. So cyanides nitrile, isocyanides carbyl amine, and different types of examples. For example, CH3 bond NC, methyl carbyl amine, common name methyl isocyanide, not cyanide, isocyanide. Next CH3 bond CH2 bond NC, ethyl carbyl amine, common name methyl isocyanide. Same CH3 bond CH2 bond NC. So propyl carbyl amine, common name is propyl isocyanide. So these are different types of functional groups. Okay. So functional groups topic close. So first functional group alkyl halides and prefix is halo. Second one alcohol and suffix is ol. Third one ethers and prefix is alkoxy. And fourth one aldehyde, suffix is ol. Fifth one ketones, suffix is on. Sixth one carboxylic acid, suffix oic acid. Seventh one esters, suffix oate. Next eighth one nitro, prefix in nitro, prefix nitro. So for example nitromethane, nitroethane, nitropropane, etc. Next amines, so suffix is amine, methylamine, propanamine. Next 10th one cyanides, so suffix is nitrile. 11th one isocyanide, so suffix is carbyl amine. So these are different types of functional groups. Okay. So first topic IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Alkanes, alkyl groups and different types of examples. Second topic functional groups and different types of functional groups. Alkyl halides R bond X. Next alcohols R bond OH, ethers ROR. Next aldehydes RC double bond OH, ketones RC double bond OR, carboxylic acids RC double bond OH, esters RC double bond OR. Next nitro bond NO2. Next amines bond NH2, cyanides bond CN, isocyanides bond NC. So these are different types of functional groups. Okay, right.